Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Today we will learn about paragraph writing. So, let's start. Let us learn about paragraph writing. Yes, students, first of all, I want to tell you what is a sentence. Yes, a group of words is known as a sentence, and a group of sentences on a common topic is known as a paragraph. A paragraph explains a particular topic, situation, person, or thing to make the readers aware of it. It means a paragraph is a short piece of composition. It is a short piece of composition. It generally begins with a sentence that tells what the paragraph will be about. Clear? A paragraph is a short composition on a single theme. Now, let us see how we can develop a paragraph. Here we will learn some key points for writing a good paragraph. First of all, there must be one main idea. There must be one main idea. The main idea or topic of a paragraph is usually told in the first sentence of that paragraph. It means the first sentence should introduce the theme. The first sentence should introduce the theme. All the sentences in a paragraph should be closely related. It means all the sentences in the paragraph should be related to the theme. The sentences should be related to the theme. The next is the sentences should be arranged in a systematic manner. The sentences should be arranged in a systematic manner. It means every sentence should naturally follow from the previous one and lead to the next one. Clear? The next is be specific, choose simple words and keep the sentences short. Be specific means be clear. Choose simple words and keep the sentences short. And the next is do not repeat and be clear in whatever you want to express. Do not repeat the sentences, and whatever you want to express, it should be clear in all the sentences. Use correct grammar and proper punctuation marks. It means the sentences should be grammatically correct with proper punctuation marks. Punctuation marks like comma, full stop, exclamation mark, question mark, apostrophe and inverted commas. And the next is give an appropriate ending to the paragraph. It means the last sentence should sum up the ideas in a clear manner. The closing sentence is the last sentence in a paragraph. It does not add any new information. Clear? While writing a paragraph, always remember all the words in the heading except articles, prepositions and conjunctions should begin with a capital letter. All the words in the heading except articles, prepositions and conjunctions should begin with a capital letter, and pay special attention to grammatical correctness, correct punctuation marks and correct spellings. I hope it is clear to all of you. Have a nice day, children. Let's revise. While writing a paragraph, remember these 5 rules. First is decide the main idea. Second is write a topic sentence that tells the main idea. And the third is write details that tell more about the topic. And the fourth is end your paragraph with a closing sentence. And the last is be sure that all sentences in the paragraph tell about the topic.